Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint our walls in the basement. But before we paint it, so we need to apply this plaster in the crack walls so to hide the crack. So in that way we got a fine color or a fine result of the paint in our walls. So guys, I hope you learned something from this vlog for today. So let's get started. But before you apply or when you apply this plaster, you have to make sure that they are evenly applied or not rough. So we got the good result. And then after we apply this plaster, we have to let it within 24 hours before we apply the paint for good or best results. So I hope you learned something from this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned in. See you again tomorrow. So you can see what I'm going to do with the um, dried walls after we apply the plaster. And guys, today we're going to proceed our uh, work here or our project. I can say it is in the basement. As you can see, I applied the plaster so we can hide the crack on the wall. This is what I did, and today I'm going to paint it so we don't see it anymore, the plaster. So before we begin, we're going to open this paint, and after that we're going to mix it well with this stick. We're going to mix it very well, and then we're going to put it here, and we're going to use this tools so it's easy for us to paint it like that. So let's continue, guys. I'm going to put it here. I'm thinking to paint the corner first and that upper layer. And guys, I'm not a professional painters. I'm just a learners, but we have to do it. I think it's better than nothing. It's too expensive to pay for the people who work or to paint for it. So I'm thinking to do it by myself. It's not nothing happened when we um, try. So I think I am satisfied with it. It's just an investment, but I really want to make it better. So let's proceed, and I'm going to show you later when I'm done. Maybe, and sometimes it takes time to paint. And now, guys, it is this part we've been paint yesterday, and it is dried. But we're going to continue in the other side for paintings.
this is the last part of this corner. We have a lot of things to do before we finish in this room. And I love these things, you know. It's easy for easy to finish. Easy to finish also. And guys, as you can see, we're almost done. Almost done. There's only one side. I don't make a video always. I just put in the house because it will be a long video. Huh? I think it's okay. And the one side. Guys, I need this small one. So, like that. I have a corner here that is, you can see the color of the plaster. So I want to hide it as much as I can. Like that. So when it is dry, so hopefully you don't see it, the color of the plaster. So, and the good thing of this small one is just you can color here, or you can use it in the corner. It's the hardest part is the corner. Yeah, this is the hard, or the, yeah, this is the hardest part is the corner. So this small tools is good to use. You paint it in the corner and like that. I think I need a little bit more paint. Like that. I want to hide the color of the plaster. Color of the plaster was green. I think next time I'm going to, when I paint the white one, we need to buy a plaster. This color is white also. I forgot to tell it to my husband that he must both the plaster, the color is white also. So I just need to I tend to hide the color plaster. I think. I don't know, it's good or not. And not easy for me because no one holding my camera to make this video for you guys. I hope you learn something what I did. To paint the walls, and I'm not scared when even I did something wrong because it's just in the basement, my husband said. So and no one can see it, just me and just you. That's funny, but yeah, I want to learn. Mistake, learn. If you do mistake, so you learn something. That next time you do the best. And like that. Maybe if someone watching my video that is professional painters, maybe you can leave a comment so I can do it later, or I can use it next time when I paint, because we have another place there to paint in the garage, or in the garage. What do you call it? Like that. I'm not really satisfied with it, but I really want to hide this color of the plaster that I applied before, so we can hide a crack. But the problem is it's green, and I paint it for white, and yeah, you can see it. I think it's okay. As I already said, no one can see it, just us. I'm just kidding. We don't tend to be serious, so sometimes we need to speak or talk about funny things so we can laugh, when we are laugh, so we have an energy. And they said we stay younger longer when we laugh, and the people who are very serious. So I'm going to use my other tools, this long one. So thank you so much, guys, and I'm going to show you later when I'm done, because if I'm going to make videos that is longer than 30 minutes, it's not easy to download it in the, what do you call that, YouTube or somewhere else. But I'm going to show you when I'm done. And good morning, guys. This is the next day, and I am filming, and I took already the protection on the floor. So I took it out today, and now, as you can see, I am done paintings. So yeah, I think it is okay. Some of this parts, as you can see, maybe they have some spot that is a little bit wet. That is I only paint it a little bit. So hopefully, yeah, it will be look better tomorrow. So, and then we're going to proceed in this part here, like that.